YO YouTube, this is Diego the Barber 101 and I'm coming with another video today and I'm going to show you how to stay one step above 100. So the first fade you're going to do is the taper fade. 3-step, make it a bit blurry. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Link will be somewhere here. So YouTube, the first tip I can give you is always lay out there nicely when you are busy with the waver and always cut with the grain. Never go against the grain. So my client wants the 1.5 guard on top and I'm going to cut with the grain. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Another tip I can give you barbers is on how you can take out the dark spots, and I am gonna point them out to you, is just use the corner of your blade. It's easy. That's how you stay one step above 100. Another tip on how you can stay one step above 100 is when you're doing your bald line and you're busy with the waver, please don't go too high when you're doing your bald line. I mean, we're dealing with a taper fade. We said we want to do 360s. We don't want to spoil those waves. So that's how we can stay one step above 100. Keep it low. And YouTube, there's just a few steps I can show you how to stay one step above 100. Hashtag the barber 101. Please feel free to comment below and I will personally try to reply to your comments. Like and subscribe.